Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. Identify the parent structure. The compound contains a cyclohexane ring, so the parent chain is cyclohexane. Moving on to the next step. Identify the functional group. Attached to the cyclohexane ring is a C is equal to OCH3 group, which is an ester functional group, specifically a methyl ester. Moving on to the next step. Name the acid part. When a CHO group is directly attached to a cyclohexane ring, the parent acid is cyclohexanecarboxylic acid. The ester formed by replacing the O of the carboxylic acid with OCH3 gives the methyl ester. And for the final step, name the ester. Esters are named as alkyl, acyl, 8. The acyl part comes from cyclohexanecarboxylic acid cyclohexanecarboxy cyclohexanecarboxylate. The alkyl part is methyl, from OCH3. Combine. The full name is methyl cyclohexanecarboxylate, commonly written as methylcyclohexanecarboxylate. No other options are present to evaluate, as this is a naming, write the name, type question. Therefore, the correct answer is methylcyclohexanecarboxylate. The correct answer is shown on screen.